You ready for your marshmallows?
Yeah.
Then we're gonna let Lola and Lola try the buko. Okay guys, we're at the a scenic spot here for the Taal volcano and Taal Lake right there.
I know.
Okay. Alright, there you go. Look, you guys look at the volcano there real quick. Alright, there you go. What do you guys think about the view? You like the view?
I like it. I love it.
Alright, let's go guys.
Alright.
We're going to
What's
Taal
dita
here.
is? What's dita there?
Right there, Mom. You just you make a prayer there. You got no, just you for you.
Can you hold
Some
it?
people. Say hi, everyone.
Say hi, everyone. We're here in.
Say hi.
Oh, what we call this? What they call this? Cairo.
The way of the cross.
Oh, the way of the
Something like
cross.
that.
Let's go.
Something like that. I reckon.
Hello po. Keep walking. Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Arlene.
You're welcome po.
Ay, naman niya.
Sinyo. Okay na ho, tayo na.
Okay, tayo na. Napapasarap kasi yan.
Welcome to Calaroga, Philippines. Close to nature, closer to God. Here we go.
Check this guy. Check this out, guys. Some big koi fish right here. Let's see if you can see it. Big one. How big they are. All right.
Hello.
You guys ready for the hanging bridge?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Wow. Not too fast. Because I'm going backwards, guys. There you go. Wow. That's cool, huh?
Yeah.
Whoa. Yep. You guys are doing good. You're doing good, Mama. All right. Whoa. Almost done. You did it.
Watch the protect. Protect.
See, Mama, you go back home and say, man, I hiked all over the Philippines. I hiked all over the Philippines. I can't believe Mama hiking all over the Philippines. I can't believe you did Mount Everest. You did Mount Everest. Wow. You did it, Mom. See? This was actually easier than the other one that we did, huh? There. I think this is a chapel on the hill here, or the tent chapel.
Can we get picture first?
Yeah. Mommy, why don't you sit over there in the right there, the church? There you go. You did it, Mom. You did it. Oh, Mom, you want to take a picture right there? Hi, baby. Bye-bye.
Take this picture with Daddy's kids day. One back time.
Good.
One side something stuff.
Huh?
One side something.